Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to make your iPhone silent and not vibrate. To make your iPhone silent and prevent it from vibrating, you need to adjust a few settings. Here's how you can do it. Locate the ring silent switch on the left side of your iPhone above the volume buttons. Flip the switch downward so that the orange indicator is visible. This will put your iPhone in silent mode, muting all sounds. Another method, disable vibration in silent mode. Open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on sounds and haptics. Under the haptics section, choose none. This will prevent your iPhone from vibrating when it's in silent mode. By following these steps, your iPhone will be both silent and free from vibrations. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.